Hi, I am Maria. You are watching Golden News Today. Headlines. Number 1, the United States also bans business transactions with TikTok and WeChat. Number 2, Facebook and Twitter close the account of the US president. Number 3, a landslide on a tea field in India has killed 12 farmers and left 60 missing. Number 4, Beirut blast. A 2-week of emergency has been declared in the country. Number 5, health. A 1,000-year-old tip containing onions and garlic kills dangerous germs. Now details of headlines. The United States also bans business transactions with TikTok and WeChat. Washington. U.S. President Donald Trump has issued a decree banning business transactions with Chinese companies that own TikTok and WeChat across the country. According to the World News Agency, U.S. President Donald Trump has ordered the social networking site TikTok to end its business dealings with U.S. companies within 45 days. Has issued an order after which there will be a complete ban on transactions. The order, signed by President Trump, also calls for aggressive action against TikTok owners in the interests of U.S. national security. The U.S. president has accused these Chinese apps of providing data on U.S. users and celebrities to China with the intention of spying. Facebook and Twitter closed the account of the U.S. president. Facebook and Twitter shut down their accounts following a post by U.S. President Donald Trump about the coronavirus. Social networking sites Facebook and Twitter shut down accounts of U.S. President Donald Trump and his presidential campaign as punishment, but the Twitter account was later restored, but the controversial video was deleted. In an interview with Fox TV, President Trump said that the coronavirus does not affect children, which is misleading information about COVID-19 and is against our social guidelines. Along with Facebook, the microblogging site Twitter also clarified that the U.S. president's statement regarding the coronavirus is against our policy, and that is why his account has been blocked until the tweet is withdrawn. Twitter later restored the account. It should be noted that even before this, the U.S. president had to ridicule the ridiculous suggestions like declaring the drug used in malaria as a cure for corona and applying a drip of methanol on a global scale. A landslide on a tea field in India has killed 12 farmers and left 60 missing in the Indian state of Kerala. A landslide caused a landslide to hit a tea field in a farmer's house, killing 12 workers. According to Indian media, after the catastrophe in Mumbai, a series of rains has entered the state of Kerala. Due to continuous rains, a large piece of hill and a mound of soil fell on a tea field in Idukki district, in which a large number of farmers were buried. Rescue agencies have started rescue operations and 10 people have been evacuated to the hospital where their condition is said to be out of danger, while 12 bodies have also been recovered. As many as 60 people are still feared buried in the landslide. Farmers' houses were also destroyed. Beirut blast. A 2-week of emergency has been declared in the country. A 2-week state of emergency has been declared in the country following the blasts at the port. A 2-week state of emergency has been declared in Lebanon following the Beirut bombings, and several port officials have been placed under house arrest in connection with the bombing. On the other hand, the World Bank has also promised to help the damage caused by the blast in Beirut. According to the World Bank, public and private funding for the port's reconstruction is on the rise, and the resources will be used to help improve people's lives and jobs. Health. A 1,000-year-old tip containing onions and garlic kills dangerous germs. British scientists have used a 1,000-year-old medical prescription containing onions and garlic to kill dangerous and hardy germs in a laboratory. The joint study by the University of Warwick, the University of Central Lancashire and the University of Nottingham examined medical prescriptions and tips from the 1,000-year-old book Bald's Leech Book, one of the earliest medical textbooks in medieval Britain, is done. Thanks for watching Golden News. Please subscribe our channel and share this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.